Hello guys, thanks to my friend Lina, because this is a present from Lina. Today I show you how to make kumquat in spirit or moonshine kumquat. She gave me this kumquat. Usually people make jam, but because it's nice to bite, to eat this like this, I want to preserve them in a way that they remain crunchy, but also I want that the alcohol and the spirit enter inside. So with vanilla we should make some holes like this, but I'll show you later. For this recipe we need 500 grams of kumquat, 200 ml of water, 100 grams of sugar, 2 grain or 2 peppercorn and 1 clove. Now we put the water and the sugar and the spices inside the pot. We make many holes like this in our kumquat and we boil them for 5 minutes, no more, because we want them still crunchy when we will bite them. I will use also 250 ml of alcohol at 96% of alcohol content. If you cannot find it, you can use other things like vodka, or in my case I will use the rum. This is the home age rum. You already saw the video of this. Let's start with the longer things that you have in this recipe. Make a lot of holes in your kumquat. Also, if I am in Italy, I think this kumquat is from China because we call Chinese mandarin. So if somebody know where they are coming from, or also the orange or the lemon that we have in Italy, please write down in the comment. Our moonshine kumquat are ready. In the big jar I put half of syrup and half of alcohol at 96%. You need to check them because they will drink, we can say, the syrup and the alcohol, so you need to refill or retop them. They always should be covered from the alcohol. And in the small jar I put no syrup but directly the rum. So if you cannot find the alcohol so strong, you can use the gin, the vodka, the rum that you can find normally in the shop, directly like this. Now we should wait 1 week, so see you in 1 week for the testing. Spectacular. So the one with the alcohol and the syrup, they are a little bit strong. The one with the rum, a little bit less. So up to you. If you try both, please let us know down in the comments. Bye bye. Okay, with this it's too complicated.